Hello, I'm Rudy, a software engineer at Zama. I work on Concrete Python in the Concrete compiler team. So Concrete Python is fully homomorphic encryption made easy in Python. We've just released version 2.6 with many improvements. So in this video, I'll present the new faster rounding variant. Rounding was introduced to speed up neural networks. It allows to reduce the bit width of a value before doing a table lookup, so it's faster. In neural networks, scalar products are fast and can be done in 16 bits, but their result can be rounded to 6 bits to enter the activation function. Doing the table lookups on 6 bits is more than 10 times faster and works well for accuracy. Our rounding is taking the value's most significant bit and return the nearest value with the desired smaller bit width. Up to now, this is done exactly by clearing the lowest bit one by one. The clearing in itself has a cost, but it's still faster to round than not to round. For this release, we went down the rabbit hole. With rounding, the less significant bits are considered negligible, wiping to remove something that is considered negligible. With the new option, rounding has zero overhead and is approximate. Near the limits of rounding up or down, it sometimes rounds up instead of down, and vice versa. Let's see on a toy example how to enable it and make some real measurements on speed and the approximation. So we have 3 circuits. The first one is not using rounding at all, so it's just a plain 16 bits TLU. The second one is using rounding. It removes 10 bits, so it's in the end using a 6-bit TLU. And the last one is using approx rounding, so you have 2 choices. Either you can activate it globally on the conf, approx rounding, or you can activate it directly on the operator, or you can combine both possibilities. Let's see some experimental results. So the first experiment is measuring execution times on the 3 circuits. So you have the execution time for 1 TLU in each case, and you have the obtained speedup. So using rounding is a 10 times speedup. Using approx rounding is 36 times speedup. So the improvement between the two is between 3 and 4 times speedup. In the second experiment, we measure the quality of the approximation by comparing approximate rounding with the exact rounding. So we do the same computation with both circuits and we count the number of times the results are different and by how much they are different. And you can see that around 10% of the time the result could differ, but when they differ, they are limited to off by 1 errors. So it means we use either the cell just higher or just lower than the one used by exact rounding. So 10% of the time you can have a minor rounding difference. Usually it's okay for neural network, but you have to check if it's acceptable for your application. So if you were already using rounding, I really encourage you to try it. For instance, on one of our already optimized reduced image recognition benchmark, inference is now 3 times faster by just adding this configuration flag without significant change in accuracy. You can find more details and more related options in the documentation on rounding. Thank you for watching and happy coding!